To publish your Shopify store in 2025, start by setting up your store's basic information. Go to the Shopify admin panel and click on Settings. Then General. To enter your store's name, address, and contact information. Next, choose your store's theme, which determines the layout and design of your store. Browse the theme store. Choose a theme that suits your brand, and click Add to install it. Customize your theme by adding your logo, changing colors, and arranging layout sections. Add products to your store by going to the Products tab and clicking Add Product. Enter product details such as title, description, price, and images. Organize your products into collections to make them easy to find. Set up payment and shipping options by going to Settings and clicking on Payments and Shipping. Choose payment gateways such as PayPal or credit cards and configure shipping rates and options. Configure taxes by going to Settings and clicking on Taxes. Set up tax rates and rules to automatically charge taxes on orders. Before publishing your store, test it by previewing your store and checking for any errors or issues. Make sure all links and buttons work correctly and that your store looks good on different devices. Finally, to publish your store, go to the Shopify admin panel and click on the Launch button. This will make your store visible to the public and allow customers to start placing orders. Review Shopify's terms of service and ensure you comply with any applicable laws and regulations. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully publish your Shopify store in 2025 and start selling your products to customers.